Well, I got my $695 from Toyota clock spring assembly because this just seems like the kind of thing a guy doesn't really want to trust to some Chinese clock spring, especially after the reading I did online about guys that had tried replacing them with the aftermarket ones that were, sub $200 and them only lasting a few months, sometimes not even that long. So this is a real kick in the junk, but it is what it is. I guess I created my own problem, so that's what I got to live with. Anyway, all the steering wheel off procedures that we did before, and I gotta pop the steering column cover off, and then we'll see what we got to do. Well, looks like simple as taking those two screws out, pop that stuff up out of the way. This looks like it snaps into place. Maybe it's just as simple as undoing these electrical plugs and unsnapping it, I guess. We'll find out here in a second. Okay, so there was two plugs there and one there. The one on the left and the one on the right, the vertical one, both came off very easily. Just your normal push the tab in and it will unlock and slide down. The yellow one being the airbag plug, however, from this side I had to push in on this center yellow portion. You can kind of see it looks like an elongated H or laying down I-beam type thing. When I pushed on that, then it simply started to push off and I was able to finish pushing it off. So now we'll put the new one in. The new one comes with, it's like pre-locked into place. So it has this component here which is locking it into place, and we'll get this put on and put all back together and reconnect the battery, and then they said we may have to take it to the dealer to have the center point reprogrammed for the pre-collision, so we'll find out. All right, so I got it replaced. I used my Carista module to do the reset on all the systems, and I think we're good. Hallelujah. So I don't have to pay the dealer to do the reprogram, I think. I'm just gonna go down the road here, make a few curves, but I think we're in the clear. Well, don't be like me. Save yourself $700. But thankfully that's all we spent, I guess. I don't know. Anyway.